here we are only a day after we saw iOS 12 released to the masses, and we've got the first beta of 12.1. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and we've got iOS 12.1, the first developer beta installed on our iPhone 10. For iPhone 10, it weighs in at a pretty chunky 2.77 gigs. For that reason, it definitely took us a little while to actually get downloaded, but once we waited it out and got it installed, there were a couple notable changes. First up, let's look at performance, because that's always something that people care about when they're going to update their phones. Now, it should be noted, this is the first beta. Performance is not going to be critical on the first beta. As we get closer to an actual release of 12.1, that performance is going to be all the more important. Right now, we just want to see how it kind of fares to the actual public release of iOS 12. After several runs of the Geekbench CPU benchmark test, we found that performance actually took a little bit of a hit from the actual last release of iOS 12. It's down just a little bit, particularly in the multi-core scores. Nothing too noticeable as we're actually using our phone day to day. We did not noticing in the last hour or two where it actually fell slower, but when we're looking at raw stats, it is a little bit down. You can see the first three here on top, around that 4200 mark, just a little above for the single score, and for the multi-score, we're at 10300. So it's definitely a little bit down from that 10500 score that we saw earlier on. Other than that slight performance hit, there's not too much else going on, but there is one big change other than performance, and that is the return of Group FaceTime. You probably already knew this, it's in the title, but yes, Group FaceTime was removed in earlier betas, and now it has once more been added to iOS 12.1. We're going to go ahead and bug Max and Vadim for just a second. Tap in there, you can see we've got Max, we've got Vadim, pulls up a group call here. I can end it there on the bottom. I can tap on the little effects icon in the lower left-hand corner, play with those a little bit. You can see here we can add additional people to this call, change a few other things, or hang up because I told them not to answer. Otherwise, that is it. There's not really too much change in 12.1, at least in this first beta, but we will be keeping an eye out and updating you as we go through the beta process of any other changes that we do find. Let us know if you happen to find anything else down below in the comments. Otherwise, we'll catch you on the next video.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.